बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं जब स्टेज पे, बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं और फिर कुछ कुछ काटना पड़ता है हमें, बट
लाइव है, बिल्कुल नहीं काट सकते हम. No, but I think it's not about playing to New York or to London or the various wonderful locations IFA has hosted. It's actually just making sure that, you know, your script is audience friendly, because you're not only just connecting to the 40,000 people in the audience, but to the 40 million people who will eventually watch it on television. So you have to connect to the viewer in every which way. And so your script and what you say, and I always tell people, like, of course, Saif is a veteran, he's done so many events, but I always tell people, when you're hosting, look at the prompter only for your look to camera. Don't keep connecting with people, because eventually you're going to be on television and you're going to be talking to the viewer. It's a minor tip.
Because I always get lost, because whenever I'm performing, and only my mom from my family wants to come and see my performances, and I always see her and she's like, for some reason she's sweating or she's nervous कि अब कुछ गलत करेगा, अब गिर जाएगा, something will go wrong. So even if I'm dancing full, I just.
But I have the same feeling when I watch you also. I also get very worried, because I feel that in your excitement, besides your shirt, many other garments also might come off. So that's my big fear, because when Varun performs or does anything, he has no sense of self-control. He goes mad. But that's what's great about him, because he plays to the gallery.
I surrender to the music.
Yeah.
I surrender.
You surrender to the music.
Yeah.
Considering you didn't sing it, I don't know why you're surrendering.
No,
But anyway.
You can dance and surrender as well.
And the last question which I want to ask you, Karan, especially, is that are you going to be dancing at IFA 2017? I mean, because we've seen you dancing, especially on the Colors channel.
At some point, man.
Yeah,
sure.
because he's
I don't know how
really
public
good.
it will be, but he will dance. Yeah.
No.
Will you shake a leg? I mean, you
No,
are
is
really
that in
good.
is that in my
Yeah,
contract?
Andre,
Yeah,
what
I'm
do you
supposed to
say?
dance?
What do you feel? Yeah.
Oh, we're both going to dance. Okay. I didn't think we were paid enough then. No one told us that we were going to dance. No, I don't think, I don't know. No, it's not at all. No such thing. No, I will not be dancing.
But he'd be happy to. You know he'd be
Yes,
happy.
of course.
I know he is going to. I know.
Nah, yeah.
I just thought he'll tell us which song, but okay, that's a surprise.
No.
That's a surprise for later.
Thank you. But we have questions to ask you, Varun, as well.
I thought it was only me asking always.
No, we
It
have
was the other
questions
way.
to ask you. So you have like so many amazing beauties performing this time in IFA. We have Katrina and you have Alia. Who's your preferred movie star between them?
Between both of them.
Katrina and Alia?
I mean, they both are like different looking.
Most people are different looking. We're different from each other as well.
I like both. I mean, I like both.
You like both?
Great. That's what you should say.
Yeah, I like both.
Yeah.
You like both?
I like both. They both
All
are very nice human beings.
Yeah.
They're nice people.
Oh, and that's what you look for in a the
dance
quality of humanity.
No, like in a dancer.
In a dance.
I mean, you
But
want
they're not dancers. They're
Your
movie
personality
stars. They're
shows,
actors.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you want, like, I feel if there's goodness within it, comes out in the
Comes out,
performance, even if you're like doing like the Chikni Chameli step. I mean, the
Yeah.
goodness always comes through.
Especially in the Chikni.
Especially in a song like that. Definitely.
Okay. All right. This is your first time in IFA.
Already feeling like I'm getting ragged now on stage. I'm feeling.
No,
No, I love you too much to rag you. But this is your first time in IFA. So what do you think is going to be your biggest take back from this humongous event that's going to unfold on the 13th of July?
Should I say what I'm doing? I can say, okay, so this time, I think first time in my career, what I'm doing is I'm paying tribute to my father. So I'm going to be performing on all his songs, starting from Swarg, coming down to Main Tera Hero, and eventually we'll be doing one of the newer songs of Judwa too. Also.
Okay, fantastic. Well, we look forward. We're doing a segment with you as well.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to that, Saif?
of course I am.
Yeah.
As-
Why?
I'm asking myself that also. And because, you know, he's so lovely and nice and talented and humble and
Available.
handsome. I mean, you know.
He's also going to
I don't
be
know if
there.
that's the right adjective.
That is a very important prerequisite
Available,
to host
yes.
availability. Access,
Present.
availability,
Alive.
all that.
You can message me anytime, I'll be there.
Thank you, Varun. And thank you. Now,
Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Savas will come on stage and hopefully take over.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Give them a huge round of applause, guys.
फोटो आप पे वीडियो आप नहीं है वीडियो नहीं बस
Thank you so much. So this is, I wish you had like called me after at least few other sponsors, because it's a really tough one to follow after 3 stars have just had a fantastic session here. So let me keep it sweet and short. A couple of things we'd like to say. I think it's no secret that Bollywood, glamour and fashion go pretty much hand in hand. And I think that's the opportunity we also decided to tap. Myntra has had past associations with Bollywood stars. For our private labels, All About You and HRX, we have associations with Deepika and Hrithik Roshan, and we've been very happy and excited about them. So equally on this one, I think 2-3 things which are absolutely fantastic about IFA. I think it is not just symbolizes Bollywood, it also symbolizes the global community. And I think what we also got excited about was a green carpet. I think it was quite a unique concept. So very excited to be styling IFA. We have a host of exciting activities that we will unfold and will be sharing with media over the next couple of days. So thank you very much. Very excited as Myntra to be here and to also be styling IFA.